Hey everyone! In today's tutorial, I will show you how to watch YouTube in your car. I'm going to demonstrate a safe way to access YouTube in your vehicle. But let's make one thing clear from the get-go. Safety always comes first. Please, never operate apps while driving. Now, on to the solution, CarTube. It's an application that allows you to enjoy YouTube and other platforms while in your car. Setting it up is a breeze. Just connect your device either via Bluetooth or through a wired connection with Carplay. You'll have YouTube right there on your car's screen. We need to check a few things. Go to Settings, click on Battery, and check if the low power mode option is unchecked, just like mine, as it could negatively impact the app, so we need to have it turned off. Next, go to General and click on Background App Refresh, making sure that either Wi-Fi or Wi-Fi mobile data is selected, one of these two options. Once this is done, we can start the installation. To begin, open your browser and visit the tweakoapp.com website, a trusted source for various modified applications. Look for CarTube and click on it, and a window will appear, showing details like downloads and ratings. Click the Download Now button to start the installation process. The installation process is swift, and shortly, everything will be finished, with a confirmation message signaling successful installation. However, if you don't receive this confirmation, this means that you will have to finish the last step, which is very simple and quick. There is a tutorial on the site on how to do it. When you complete this step, the file will be downloaded immediately. And there you have it. That's the entire process to get CarTube. Thank you for watching this video until the end. If you found the information helpful and everything is functioning as expected, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel for more content like this in the future. If you encounter any difficulties or have any questions, don't hesitate to reach out by leaving a comment. I'm here to assist you, and I'll gladly provide any help you may need. Thank you once again, and I look forward to seeing you next time.